Come here a lot?
Yeah, we just live across the street.
Nice. Yeah, this is my usual time after work. Bring her here, let her have a little run. Not too busy, I'm surprised. You'd think it'd be more busy 'cause it's a pretty nice open area, but maybe the smell keeps people away.
I actually can't smell it today. Yesterday it was pretty bad
Oh,
though.
is it?
Yeah. Yeah, from time to time it gets pretty rank.
Yeah.
The collective toilet flush.
Yeah, that's it.
That's why I clean up after her out in these open fields.
Yeah.
It's, I think they play rugby out here until the field's ready, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be a nice field over there.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's still nice. I don't know what the rules are here. I was told that at the park on the other side you can get a fine off leash,
I would assume so, yeah.
but this doesn't seem to be park. It's
Yeah.
but nobody said anything yet, and it's really a good place for them to actually stretch.
Yeah.